I'm Kiara Lachey, and this is Cardio Body Sculpt. Let's warm it up with some high knees. Right into it. Here we go. Come on. We're doing 10 moves in just 10 minutes. High intensity intervals with a rest in between. High knees is your first move, so you've already begun. Here we go. Woo! Let's go. Pick it up. This is really going to get that heart pumping. Woo! Toning up the whole body in literally 10 minutes. Yes, got my girls with me. Danny, wave at the camera. I got Janet right here. I also have Dana, and I have Anna. A few more. Here we go. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Move it out. Okay, you rest. I show you the next move. It's a burpee. You're going down, out, in, and up. Totally up to you. If you want to jump, you can stand it if you want. Breathe. Get ready. In 4, 3, 2, take it down. Here we go. Woo! You got it. Keep it going. Nice. Make sure, keep those backs straight when you go down into the burpee. That's plank position. Your neck and your spine is aligned. Make sure that you got it. Push it all the way out. Stretch that body. Here we go. Don't you give up. You got this. It's only the beginning. Let's go for it. Here we go. Come on. A few more. Let's finish it. Woo! Come on. Yes. One more. Last thing. March it out. Just groove it. Good job. Next move, squats. You know how to do those. Just keep your knees behind the toes and the booty pushing it back. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Push it, push it. Squeeze that glutes once you come up. You got it, come on. Woo! You got it. Don't you give up. Take it low if you can. Woo! Come on, breathe. Keep that chest up nice and tall. Push the booty all the way back. Really working those quads and those hamstrings. Engaging the abs as you come up. Push the hips forward. You got it. Woo! Come on. Take it even lower. You got it. Come on. Few more. Let's go, ladies. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it out. All right. You rest. I show you the next move. Just a push-up. You're going down into a plank and pushing out. Pushing down. Elbows out. You can get on the knees or not. All right. Get down in position. Let's go for it. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, begin. Push it. Push it. Push it good. You got it. Woo! Come on. Make sure, again, the neck and the back are aligned. As you can see, Janet is doing the modified version, but she's still getting a great workout. If you have to, take it to the knees. That's totally okay. Anna's killing it over here with a regular push-up. Either way, it works. This is your workout. You do it. You do what fits you. All right? Few more. Come on, I'm gonna finish it with you. 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1. Get on up safely and groove it out. Great job. Okay, next move, our ski jump. You rest, I show you. Looks like this. You're just stepping one foot behind the other. And if you can reach for the ground. Totally up to you. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Touch, step, touch, and really reach for the ground. Woo! If you don't have a lot of room, you can also jump higher instead of longer waves. Reach, breathe, keep that chest up tall. You got it. Woo! Come on. Don't give up. Don't give up. Challenge yourself, but listen to your body. Come on. Breathe. You got it. Few more. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got it. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey. Yes. Next move. Sit throughs. Make sure you're breathing. You groove it out. Watch me. You're coming down. You can twist. That's level 1. Or put the knees through. Push it through. Here we go. Get in position. Hope you're ready. Let's go for it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 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 You got it. Push. Come on. Push. You got it. Push. Push. Don't give up. Push. Come on, ladies. Kick those legs all the way out. Woo! Twist. So this is working the whole body. The arms, the shoulders, the legs, the quads, everything. Abs, back, everything. Let's go. Come on. Few more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Safely get up. This is not a game. Woo! All right, breathe. Move it out. Next thing is a bear squat. Okay, breathe. I'll show you. Looks like this. Going down into a plank and just pushing back. Push back. So make sure that booty goes towards the heels. Get in position. Here we go. Are y'all ready? Woo! Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Push back. Push. Push. Make sure to go into that plank position. Your shoulders are over the wrist. Woo! Come on. Now you're gonna feel this in your quads, but don't you give up. Come on. Push. Push. How you feeling, ladies? They said, woo! Push. You got it. Come on. Push it. Push it. You got it. Don't you give up. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on yourselves. You got a goal to reach. You got to go after it. Let's go. A few more. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Safely get up. Woo. Your thighs are going to thank me in the morning. I don't even got to cook you breakfast. March it out. Next move is the Superman. I'll show you what it looks like. You're just coming down onto your knees. If you need to, you can put a towel underneath the knees to protect them. You're just gonna push up, like so. So reach for the sky. Opposite knee, opposite arm. Get in position. Let's go for it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, reach. Reach. Really reach tall for the sky. Flex the feet. Woo! You're gonna feel this all in that booty. Good. And in the upper back. Tone in the upper back muscles. And you're challenging yourself by keeping that core tight. Here we go. Few more. 4, don't give up. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right, get on up. We're gonna get right back down though. Just groove it out. The next move is mountain climbers. I'll show you. Looks like this. You could either step it or run it. Totally up to you. I hope you're ready. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. They acting like they're not happy about that. We're almost done. Here we go. Let's get down. 5, 6, 7. Run it out. Come on. You got it. Woo! Push. 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 You're running after your goals. What you want in life. You're running after it. Only you can go get it. I'm just here to help you. I'm right here with you, but you got to do it. All right? Come on. Woo! Let's go. Come on, Janet. Push, push, push. Push. Come on, Dana. Push. Let's go. Almost done. Don't you give up now. Woo! Few more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Okay. All right, rest it out. Next thing, jump tucks. All right. All you're doing is jumping it up. Non-stop. Breathe. Woo. All right. Here we go. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pick it up. Up, 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 up. Yes, up, up, up. You're engaging those abs. Don't you give up. Woo. Come on. Your neighbors might be mad at you, but they're really gonna hate you when you walk out the house and you're looking all sexy. Come on. Get it up. Get it up. Woo. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't you give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Few more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh my God. You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. We did it. Good. Okay. Pat yourself on the black back. On the black back. Well, or the white back. It doesn't matter. Oh, thank you so much for joining us. Come back. Keep coming back. Keep trying. Keep pushing towards your goal. I'm Kiara Lachey. I'll see you right here next time. Bye-bye. Woo! Are you ready to burn some mega calories while you rock out to great music? Hi, I'm Kiara Lachey, your Burn to the Beat trainer. Burn to the Beat will help you burn fat and get rid of unwanted inches. We're gonna jam to body tone and Afro beat, Brazilian booty, and Latin sizzle, and other exciting routines that will dip, bend, and shake your body slim. I'm leading you through 8 10-minute workouts designed to tone your legs and thighs, build strong abs, shape sexy buns, sculpt your shoulders and your arms while toning your entire body. You have tons of fun, grooving through easy-to-learn dance moves while burning away the fat, all to the beat of the music. So let's burn, baby, burn.